Daddy Chicken.
Yo, welcome back to Cooking with Kamarie. I just got my Thrive Market box in. I've been waiting on this. I got a couple items in here that I want to test out and cooking. If you don't know anything about Thrive Market, they make all natural organic items, so I do recommend you go to their website and check them out. All right, so now we're gonna open the box. We're gonna look at all the nice content right in here. Nice and colorful. Alright, so I ordered some teas, some lemon ginger tea, got some ginger turmeric tea. Also, I want to check out these coconut flakes. These are actual coconut flakes, so healthy for the people that want to be healthy. I got some raw Brazilian nuts. Sound yummy, right? And I got some granola, grain-free. And we got some, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna slaughter this name, but I'm still gonna try to say it anyway. I think it's paleo. Paleo. Alright, cool. So we got some paleo, and they have ranch, chipotle, savory, just like trail mix. And got some more rolled oats. And we have some almond flour, which is better than that other flour. I don't even know what it is. Let's see. Got some more snacks. Got some turmeric. More turmeric. Got some garlic powder. Let's see what else. Got some raw Brazilian nuts. Wow, I don't even get all this stuff.
That's
yeah, cool. So came with a little booklet too. Got coupon booklet, pretty cool. And we got some more of the chipotle barbecue. We got some coconut oil potato chips. After that, we got some chocolate chips. And of course, when cooking, I like to spray the pan with like olive oil and vegetable oil. This here is avocado oil. And I've never had real maple syrup before, so can't wait to try that out. Got some fresh waffles. Now, what's inside of here? Let's see. Okay, am I gonna get to it? Yeah, this pack as well. Okay. Still gotta do more to get to it. I forgot what I ordered. What is this? Oh, the honey mustard marinator. It's a honey mustard dressing marinator. Not sure. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that on some chicken breast or something. And then, wow, these are packaged. Pretty good. I don't have to worry about nothing breaking. Amazon, take notes. Oh, I got these for the kids because I know how much they like pickles. These are pickles. All right. Whew. These things. And so here we got, I think this is coconut milk. I think it's, yep, coconut milk. So these are the coconut milks. And I'm pretty sure, I try not to cook with too much dairy. I'm trying to substitute coconut milk and almond milk for a lot of the dairy, like half and half, heavy cream. So there won't be so much dairy. So this here is coconut milk. And there's a lot of stuff in this box. Oh yeah, this is gonna be the best part right here. This is the best part. So here are the jelly spreads, and I think this was the super blend fruits. So something for some toast or some biscuits. And here is the strawberry. That's gonna go good with some toast, I hope. Wow. scoop up. Got some dried cranberries. Some more coconut corn chips. Some zesty lime tortilla chips. More tortillas. Oh yeah, seaweed. If you don't have like seaweed, try seaweed. I wish they had more flavors, but the only flavor they actually had was the Korean flavor. And that's it. Pretty cool. Nice individual wrap. They wrapped all the glass items in this stuff here, which is better than the bubble wrap. This plastic. This is recyclable. I guess the plastic is not as recyclable bubble wrap. That's everything. And again, this came from Thrive. Like I said, give Thrive a chance. You know, go to their website, check it out, and do an unboxing like I did. These are all the items. All right.
Daddy chicken.